Asian boxing, and world boxing. So, competition never stops. Your boxers keep competing for year round, any up. So, your objective is to produce, is to discover top young promising talent for future international competition because some of your artists are not getting younger anymore. So, ano nga yung plano mo? How do you strengthen your classroom program to tap and discover young promising talents in the countryside?
Okay. Admittedly, no, that's an area that we need to work on, no, yung grassroots program. And at the moment, we don't have the human and financial resources to well, at least in the previous Olympic cycle, I should say, no, we really lack, no, dun sa grassroots program, no. But basta nasa national training pool namin, walang problema. Kasi like, for example, sa August 22, we have a team, a youth team leading for Taipei for a tournament. Kasi yung pang ano nila, pang build ng kumpiyansa yan, tsaka for exposure, di ba? In 2 weeks, we have a team leaving for the Asian Junior Championships. So, and hindi lang nababalitaan, but we have mga youth teams na nagme-medal na sa Asian level. No? So, yung talent, meron yan, nandyan yan. No? But yung in the far-flung areas, yun yung something that we really need to work on. No? And ito, recently, yan yung ano, well, actually, even before, yan naman palagi yung, kung meron man kaming request for support, no? Wala kami masyadong problema sa elite program eh. Kasi marami nagko-cover eh, di ba? Kasi pag elite, pag Olympics, daming magkano dyan eh. Daming magsusupport dyan, no? Pero pag grassroots, parang hindi lahat talaga, hindi siya appetizing eh, di ba? Kasi long term eh, di ba? We want instant eh, di ba? So, kaya kami, we also lacked on that. But ito, recently, itong mga courtesy calls na to, na nangyayari, no? Meron namang nag-pledge, no? There's one party list and there's one senator who pledged na sabi ko, sa grassroots na lang ilagay, hindi na sa elite, no? And so that's something na, we're really looking at kasi hindi kami pwedeng umasa lang sa national training pool kasi we only have 47. We only have 47. Eh, pumunta ka ng Thailand, mas malaki pa yung youth team nila. Di ba? Buti nga, mas nagme-medal pa tayo sa Olympics eh. Di ba? Compared dun sa mga neighboring countries natin eh, na ang lalaki ng mga training pools eh. Tayo 47. Di ba? Kalaban natin, 1,000. Yung mga Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, 1,000 yung training pool na. Tayo 47. Di ba? So, kaya kailangan talaga ma-expand sa provinces. And ideally, yung provincial training center sana critical, no? Ayaw rin kasi namin mangyari moving forward. Again, this is ideal, no? And if we can get support on this will be great. Pero kung mga si Ira, di ba? Ilang taon ka nung nag-national team ka? 17? 16. As much as possible, you don't want to uproot them dun sa kanilang probinsya kasi yun yung best place for them to develop at that age. Pero dahil nga, wala tayong provincial training center. So, kailangan natin dalhin sa Baguio or sa Manila, National Training Center. I-approve natin, tas limited lang yung slots. Yung mga nadidiscover natin sa palarong pambansa, Philippine National Games, Batang Pinoy, hindi nga natin lahat mapasok sa National League. Dahil limited yung slots eh. So, kailangan talaga natin ng better support pa dun sa grassroots. At pag sinabing grassroots, hindi lang din talaga yung tournaments eh. But the centerpiece should be coach development. Kasi if you have better coaches, you'll have better athletes. And that's something na siguro yung pinaka-practical for us to start with after this Olympics. If we can have like a coaches convention or we go around the provinces, unahin na namin yung mga probinsya siguro nila, yung mga Olympic boxers, kasi marami rin talagang nag-ask ng support. No? But yun lang kailangan namin. Well, we need to hire people also for the grassroots and also yung financial resources for them.
Marcos, Mr. Marcos,